Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to request a refund on Zara application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Zara application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and request a refund on the Zara application. So first of all, what you need to go and do to get a refund is go to the bottom side of the screen where we have the home screen, we have the menu, search where you can of course search for any items, and then here we have the account. In the account we have purchases, favorites, my looks, my details, stores, locations, and notifications. Where we need to be is the of purchases where you have of course your orders. So I don't have any at the moment, that's why this is empty for me, but if you have one it will be here. Now tap on the order that you want and continue here on that, and tap return item or request refund. Choose the item you want to return and select your preferred return method, so store return, drop off point, or home collection, where of course it's available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the return request, and once Zara receives and approves your return item, the refund is automatically issued to your original payment method. One note, you cannot request a refund without returning eligible items unless your order was cancelled or there was a delivery issue. So refund processing times vary depending on your payment provider after Zara processes their return. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.